Howdy, this is Zoe, and today we will be talking about the fuels of biofuels, specifically ethanol, for Biology 111-502. Introducing ethanol. What is a biofuel? Biofuels are renewable energy sources that come from biomass, which are able to be turned into liquids for various purposes. Ethanol and biodiesel are common examples of biofuels used today. Ethanol is used in a variety of products such as gasoline, hand sanitizer, perfume, cosmetics, and alcoholic beverages. The biomass comes from plants such as corn, sugarcane, and barley, which is what is used to turn into ethanol. So, the production sites for ethanol are called biorefineries. And the plants convert to ethanol typically through a process as fermentation. The plants are ground into a type of starch, and then enzymes are added to the starch molecules, which breaks them down into glucose. Yeast is added in order to feed on the glucose and break it down and then produce the biofuel. This product then has water added to it, and it is distilled in order to produce a more pure form of ethanol. Then next, gasoline is added in order to make it undrinkable and just for other uses, since it's typically used in gasoline as well. It's often used just globally and easily accessible. It's highly encouraged to be used over fossil fuels since it's renewable, meaning it's easily produced and is also more natural. So it's used today in many commercial products available. However, you may be wondering what impacts ethanol has on the environment. It is used to reduce carbon emissions, and compared to other fuels, it could be considered healthier, if that is such a thing. However, it's still a poison to the environment and human consumption, since it's also used in alcohols, which are poisonous to the human body. So basically, we use ethanols in many things, but they aren't the most healthy option. But they're still used greatly in everyday life and increase efficacy in many tasks, so it still seems to be a pretty decent option for gasoline and other products, unless something is better discovered. How does ethanol affect the economy? What is the next step we should take? Ethanol requires many plants to be grown, which is a bit of a concern for supply and demand. But since it is in such high demand, ethanol related careers and products help boost the economy significantly. However, since it's being grown so much, people are concerned that we're using too much space in the environment to produce corn and other products and allowing not enough space for just natural vegetation and forests to grow. But it still remains a natural source and highly used, so I think other methods of research could be applied in order to continuously find ways to better improve the impact of ethanol usage and production in the environment. It certainly is a balance of things, but overall, depending on how we use it, it can be used for great good. Here are my works cited.